Akavela na na. Oh na na na. Hello guys, we are live on YouTube. I really would love to thank God for this year. It started off well. We've had one trade win and then one loss so far. So today is our third day trading. We are going to be live trading and I'm going to share my screen very soon. Thank you for joining. So I'm going to remove this position. Yeah, that's gold. It's bearish. This is M15 time frame, and we want to sell it. That's my bias on gold. Kataka kubera in background. Kateka wansi. Ngana kakuyelewa. See. Katigenda kusimula awo bakalekirira. Kusetingirawo kusimu. Yes. We are also live on TikTok. Yes, TikTok, how are you? We want to sell. We want to sell gold. We are selling gold. Make sure you comment if you're on YouTube and create an account with HFM to trade with me every day. Create an account on HFM to trade with me every day.
YouTube.
Next TikTok, I'm on the live. I'm going to be live on YouTube. So we are live on TikTok as well. You also share in the WhatsApp groups. Hey TikTok, how are you? We are live trading XAUUSD. Excuse me. Oceans More, how are you doing? How's everyone? How is the trading day moving so far? Are you guys trading already? I'm not. Just patiently waiting for my setup for today. Yesterday we had one setup. It was a loss. We also in the premium signals. So we also had another setup in New York. It didn't trigger us. Just missed our entry by like 2 pips and then went up to TP. It was a sad moment, but yeah, moments like this expected in trading. So we know it's always gonna we're always gonna miss a trade, we're always going to lose a trade, you get. And as you know, profits aren't guaranteed in this business. Yeah, if you come with that mindset of earning very quickly, getting quick profits, you're not going to earn at all. You're just gonna lose. If you want a clear experience, just head over to YouTube, search FXAU, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. The live experience on YouTube is nice, bro. Let me show you. Let me give you a sneak peek. So I'm showing chats. Oh god. You know why I don't want to share chats on TikTok? It's because it's going to bring that warning. It thinks trading is scamming. Like, I don't know. Maybe depending on other people, the way they use the business to like scam people. But well, we have a disclaimer on trading is not a get rich quick scam. It involves a lot of risk, so you might lose all your money. But yeah, what I'm sharing is just educational content. It's for educational purposes. I'm not just telling you guys to go and risk all your money. Use risk management. Trading is risky. So we want to sell gold, though it's going up currently, shooting up. We're just waiting for our confirmation. Just waiting for just a single confirmation for us to sell. USD. So, do you guys have any questions? You also. You share the other link, the YouTube link in the WhatsApp groups. Yes, the Lou, ask any question you would love to. I'm here to answer. Dun, 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 dun. I'm broke and very broke. Engineer Chimu Seal Charles. Charles, you're broke and very broke. Yeah, I know, but the advice I would give you is just maybe sketch for a job, something that will give you money as you look for trading capital. So when you land on something like $30, you can buy a 5K funding pips account. So if you have the right mindset, you can trade that, pass it, make a withdrawal, and scale up. Boom, you're not broke anymore. So that's what's needed. So just planning, proper planning, that's what's gonna get you out of that broke stage. What are we anticipating on gold? Head over to YouTube, search FXAU. Currently making an analysis of sales. Just anticipating bearish sales, yeah, bearish trades. Okay, but now the market is like kind of going up, but we want to sell. It's in our point of interest where we want to sell from. If you want to see, head over to YouTube, search FXAU, subscribe, watch us. We are live on YouTube as well. And the live YouTube experience on YouTube is just hilarious. It's nice. I will also live on our backup account on TikTok. It's FXAU. Let me see if we are live. It's Justin Zhao. Live trading. Justin Zhao live trading. Hey guys, on Justin Zhao live trading. Ask questions. I'm going to answer. Also, can you check for me on Justin Zhao if there's anyone asking questions? Bearish candle forming on gold. Yeah, it's forming on the. Which time frame are you on, brother Mustard? Which time frame are you on, bro? Are we buying or selling? We're selling, but not now. Can someone make it without having a side job? Yeah, you can, but at least you need something like a side job. Okay, by side job, I don't mean that you need to like sketch for physical jobs, but you can use your mind, AI. You can create online jobs. Yeah, you can create online jobs, do affiliate marketing. You can sell stuff, drop shipping, and get money. That's the side income, passive income. The goal is just to build passive income as you're trading. Yeah, if you can get that, then Simon, do you use HFM? Yeah, I use HFM. It's the broker I recommend. If you really wanna join me, my FXAU premium signals, HFM sponsored us, so we are giving them out for free to you guys. If you create an account with a link in the bio, just check it the bio or join our trading community for more info. Head over to YouTube to see what we are trading. We are trading XAUUSD. Search FXAU on YouTube. Subscribe. Guys, tap the screen. Let's get to like 1K likes. Say, I'm here. This year I want Forex, but not ready. But I'm not ready to lose. Engineer, bro, you need to like drop that mindset of not ready or not being ready to lose. You get? Trading is a game of losses and wins. If you're not ready to lose, then bro, I don't understand. I don't really understand. I don't really understand. You need to, because you're not going to win all the time. You're going to lose. You get? You're going to lose a lot. Yeah, but you're going to win also. It depends on the strategy you're using. So if you're using a weak strategy, it's going to give you losses so many times. And then if it's strong strategy, it's going to have to give you losses, but small, and then the wins will have to overwhelm the losses. So in the long run, your account is going to be growing. Yeah, like I have an example. I'm showing you my account growing from 10K. I want to push it to 1 million USD this year. I don't know. It sounds like I'm delusional, but it's possible. Yep. And I'm sharing everything transparent, being transparent to you guys, and I'm documenting my journey on YouTube. Just head over, search FXAU, and wait for my 2026 video. I've not dropped any video in 2026, so it will be from 10K to 1 million USD, and it's going to be documented live on YouTube every day, streaming every day, because I do it with you guys. I stream every day, I make the trades every day, I do lose every day, and we have the account. Let me first show the account to the guys on YouTube. Going to share. Let me first open it. So if you want to see the account, just head over to YouTube, subscribe, search FXAU, subscribe. MT5, MT3, it's here. So yeah, that's what trading is. Let me answer some questions. Okay, bearish candle forming, buying XAUUSD. Good luck with the buys, bro. The market consists buyers and sellers. Nice for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Mastered is at 5 minutes. I'm just staring at a 15. Can I trade with AI? Yes, you can. Bro, I'm cooking 5 minute sales, same, but 15 minute sales. What capital to trade with comfortably for proper risk management? For the start, I would recommend $500. That's why I always like tell guys the minimum I can accept to trade for someone is maybe $500, because that's the most realistic thing. With $500, you can decide to risk 2.5% of the account, and that's some good amount of money. It's like, okay, 5%, not 2%, because 2.5 is like 7.5. I don't know. 2.5. Okay, let's see. 5 is like $50 is 10%. Five is like $25. 5% of $500 is $25. So you risk $25 per trade, targeting like $50 or what's 3 out of $25? Guys, help me. Okay, budget Jeko live ku TikTok. But it ends up get out dollars. So yeah, we can still use the other TikTok. We can still use the other TikTok. Sigana kuda live trading the kwa TikTok. They're going to ban it permanently, and I don't want that. Yes, guys, on YouTube. They're all on YouTube. I remember I said they're on TikTok. But yeah, let's wait. Enoch trades. It's our USD. Enoch from Uganda. Thank you, Enoch. How's the network on YouTube, guys?
YouTube myself. Let's go to YouTube.
Justin Zhao elaga kweli wanasitaba au elaga live
Abadde post iba video esti post nga tubagijje.
Justin Zhao
Justin Zhao
TikTok. Yep. SCI Joel. Yo, it's okay. Nice to know. SCI Joel. So trading is all about patience. We can check the M5 and we can also see that price tapped into this zone. So for buys, guys who bought here are really enjoying the ride up. Yeah. So let's see if we're gonna sell from here. If I get my confirmation, I'm gonna execute and I'm going to let you guys know. Iraga post yavuddeko ya
You're looking for buy opportunities on all.
So guys on YouTube, you can ask questions, you can interact. Yep, we can interact, see. Okimanyi nti obedda sinaba bagenda live ku TikTok eri endala ya Justin Zhao ne ku Twitch. Yeah, we are live on Twitch. Yep, we are live on Twitch. We are live on Twitch. We are live on YouTube, live on TikTok, bro. I'm really proud of myself for the consistency because a year back I wouldn't do all this. It's not actually easy, guys. It's not easy. Business. Yeah. If you come with that mindset of earning very quickly, getting quick profits, you're not going to earn at all. You're just gonna lose. If you want a clear experience, just head over to YouTube, search FXAU, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Business. Yeah. If you come with that mindset of earning very Charles, you're broke and very broke. Yes, now coming down. Advice I would give you. It's now coming down, guys. We're about to sell. I'm about to get my confirmation. Make sure you ready with your 85 account. If you want to trade with me, even when I'm off, I'm not live, I have signals frequently, provide them to those guys in the premium group. If you want to join, make sure you join our community. Just create an account with HFM. You're going to have to join for free. Engineer Chimu Charles. Charles, you're broke and very broke. Yeah, I know, but the advice I would give you is just maybe sketch for a job, something that will give you money as you. Yep. If you want to quit your job, then that's the channel. It's like bad advice. Don't do that. Business. Just have proper planning. If you come with that mindset of earning very quickly, getting quick profits, you're not going to earn at all. You're just gonna lose. If you want a clear experience, just head over to YouTube. So you guys ask questions. Does it get to a point where you're numb to the losses? No, it gets to the point where you're used to them, but still they will sting. Losses hurt. We are human beings, not animals, but it's just the processes you put to help you control the losses. That's what matters most. The losses, the process, yeah, the process of trading very well, and there are also other mental processes you need just in case you realize you've taken a loss. There is a certain process you need to follow. Maybe take a quick breath to calm your mind. Or maybe if you've taken an impulsive loss, let's say this loss is not on your plan, all you have to do maybe quit trading for like 3 days. You get, that's also a process. You quit trading for like 3 days and work on yourself through working on your body, mind. I don't know if you guys do have a routine. Does anyone follow any routine, or just wake up and trade? Just wake up and do this. You need to, everything needs to be like systematic if you need to be successful in life. If you need to be successful in life, everything needs to be systematic. But they just turned off my live. It wasn't banned, so we're gonna go live again. Just waliyo omuntu tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen, tap it. Yep, nice live. I don't know who turned off my live, but now gold is going up again, but we need to wait. So I was about to show you my account. I was going to show you my account, but I'm going to do that maybe at the end of the stream. So you guys need to stick up to the end if you want to see the progress so far on our account. Now maybe let's just do a quick analysis from the monthly. Yep, let's just make a quick analysis of XAUUSD from the monthly. Hey Maurice Lulay, so we can check with the monthly. Do I need to delete all this? Yeah, let me delete all the drawings. I'm removing all the drawings, and I just use a simple strategy which you can learn in just 3 weeks. Usually gets the best of me. Very true. Fear. Most of us, fear is our problem. Help me on that, Mr. Zhao. So if you want to eliminate fear from your trading, you need to start hard working, like working hard. Yeah. First, you need to start working on your system. You need to backtest every day. You put in so many hours. You need to put in so many hours in building your system, because this is like building a gold mine. You get? So if you have that mindset, you're going to get motivated to wake up every day, go and build your gold mine. You get? So make sure that system has an edge. It's profitable in a long run. Yeah. So a strategy which is going to assure you profits every month. That's a profitable strategy. Maybe weekly, you can't get a strategy to give you profits every week. That would be a crazy strategy with a crazy win rate. But yeah, you can have losing weeks, winning weeks. But then monthly, you have to win every month. And I'm not saying you're going to win every month. There are months where you will lose, maybe because of your psychology, and then you blow your account. But then backtesting, you'll have to see that strategies, and all strategies work. If you do backtest them, you see that every after at the end of the month, it's profitable. It's profitable. It's profitable. Even with a 30% win rate, it's going to be profitable. Now the problem is you. It's not the strategy. And stop looking for the holy grail. I'm looking for the holy grail, bro. Every strategy works, and this is the strategy I use. So if you wanna see it, just head over to Tik, YouTube, search FXAU, subscribe. So this is the monthly chart. So when you can see the monthly, it's so bullish. The monthly is bullish. Why is the monthly? Now from 2023, 2022, that's when the monthly candle had a big retracement to the downside. That's the last retracement to the downside. So gold broke that retracement to the upside and started the bull run on the monthly. So it has been bullish ever since, but then there are months where it's going to be bearish. But yeah, the longest it has ever been bearish since it was maybe 2021, 2022. Most of y'all weren't even in the market trading. Thank you for the likes, guys. Go head over to YouTube, subscribe, or follow our account. I don't know if I can put this account in the comments. Go and follow at Justin's out live trading. You're going to see the charts as well. So I was still explaining about the monthly. So the monthly started shooting up, maybe because of the war. We've had so many wars, and whenever we have a war and the USA is involved in it, the dollar is going to weaken and our gold is going to be strong. You get? Gold is going to be shooting up, and now I can say that gold is a safe haven because so many people are investing in it. It's still going up. I don't know up to when. But yeah, let's now slope to the weekly to see what the weekly is saying. So when you look at the weekly, it's still bullish as well. And it has been trending break bearishness. We had a bearishness on the weekly in 2022. That's when we stopped having bearishness on the weekly time frame. So weekly has been bullish. So if you've been trading on the weekly, then you might be having a lot of money, because if you follow the trend and you're a swing trader, you just wait for a retracement to maybe a demand zone and catch that. So let me give you an example of this long position here. This will be a nice valid entry for what? For buys, because price retraced into this demand zone, and now you target, I don't know, maybe you'll hold up to maybe follow fundamentals, collect some partials along the way. This would be crazy returns. With 0.01 you would have earned like $2,500. So 0.1, that's 25k. That's crazy money. But to reach that level you need experience. You just don't reach that level of holding money for a really long period of time. So now scaling it down to the daily. Daily is what I look at most of the time. Maybe if I'm starting the week, I can analyze from the monthly to daily, just to get myself synced with the markets, to know that price this is heading this side. So now we know that the daily is also bullish. You get? We don't have any bearishness in the daily. It's been trending bullish ever since. Stalin, thank you for the likes. Guys, let's tap the screen on TikTok. And if you want to enjoy the live, get to YouTube, ask questions. Do you trade on Rizal? Yeah, I do trade on Rizal USD. And ka HFM ka inga tekala ikabulu munyiso kenka tereze. Yep, sign up with the best broker HFM. They have fast withdrawals and deposits. I don't know if you guys have ever tried out trading with HFM, but if you do in 2026, maybe it's going to be the best broker. But it has quick withdrawals on mobile money. So for you to access my signals for free, just sign up with my link. It's in bio. Join my trading community. You're going to get access. DM me with the screenshot after registering that HFM account. I'm going to add you to the Telegram group. We also created the WhatsApp group for the signals. So it's going to be crazy, guys. It's going to be a crazy year. And I started tracking our system and everything. This system I've been backtesting for like 4 years, tweaking it, failing with it, and then again tweaking it, winning. You get? So now I've reached a point where I've gained consistency, and I'm actually proving to you. Now this is the point where I need to show you. If you need to see the charts, head over to what? To YouTube or FX, Justin Zhao live trading on YouTube, on TikTok, or on Twitch. We're also live on Twitch, guys. I don't know why you guys aren't so much interested in Twitch. It's nice. Hey guys on Twitch, how are you? Do really love you guys on Twitch. So I want to open MT5. Man, thanks for the likes, guys. I really appreciate the love. So actually, we have a seminar in Barara. We had it in January, but elections and stuff, so we have to pause and wait maybe till February. And when we stabilize and everything stabilizes, we get the new we get the president announced. Now that's when we start resuming events. I want to be making events, but we're gonna start from Barara. We're gonna start from Barara. After Barara, maybe in Bali, Kampala. I'm always here with you guys, Kampala guys, so we can arrange something every weekend. Maybe Traders Weekend, something. A lot of events this year. From the tournament, the football tournament, we have I have a lot of ideas because I'm really passionate about trading and I love trading with my people. Yep. Like I'm not selfish. I'm not actually sharing everything, all the knowledge for free. I'm not charging anything for learning or what. If you show me that you're passionate, I'm going to have to teach you for free. I have testimonials for that. Yep. Of course, how are you? Long time, of course. It's been really a long time. Man, MT5 has failed to open. Make sure, guys, you head over to YouTube, subscribe, and you'll be able to see the live. MT5 has failed to open. The PC is freezing out. Help me. Let's charge it. Who is the charger? Let's put here the extension and it gets close. Use your phone. I'm using my phone on TikTok. Let me use my other phone. But the account is not logged in. This guy is already selling gold. He's fast. Let's run quick to the M15. We might be getting a confirmation. We are sketching for a confirmation on M15, yeah? But I'm going to let you know, guys, if we have it. Though, someone here, Mr. FX, has already joined the sellers. Oh my God. We have like 5 minutes to join the sellers as well. So let's wait for this candlestick to close on the M15. Then we're going to sell. Where we're going to put our stop loss. How's the network? YouTube, how's the network? YouTube, how's the network? Is it charging? It's How do you determine where to put SL and TP? I use a position sizing tool. You can head over to YouTube. You see it. There is this one for shorts, and then we have amount of pips I'm going to use. So helps me determine the risk to reward automatically. Yeah. So TP1 normally we collect at 1 hour, TP2 2 hour. Yep, 2 hour TP2. Then TP3 3 hour. So we have TP3 3 hour and TP4. Okay, kind of and TP4 we have for our head over to YouTube if you wanna live trade with me. Follow my backup account, Justin Zhao FXAU live trading. We are live on that account as well. The same stuff I'm showing on YouTube, you can see on that TikTok account. Let me first see. Am I still live on TikTok? On Justin Zhao? No, I'm not. Let me turn it back on. Are you in, Master? No, I'm not yet in. I'm just waiting for my confirmation. This GPC. Sorry. Guys, we are selling. Okay, I need to drop the signal in the premium group. Do you have the HFM account in your phone? Help me with the phone. Help me with the phone. You also place orders in that XNES account, the one of 2K. Account. So guys, whenever we get a confirmation of a trade, expect a loss, expect a win. You get? We are not here for this is not gambling, this is a business. So you first understand the business and then get into it. I don't want any critics. Yep. So first talk about my FX book. If you hold up to the end, I'm going to talk about it. And it's in the link in bio. Just check the link in bio. You'll see my FX book of that account. The link tree. It has, okay. Let me get the account here. I log in and place some trades. Place some sales. So if you know that you hate losing and you don't want to see reds on your MT5, this is not live for you. But if you treat trading like a business where you accept losses, then this is the live for you. Once again, this is not financial advice, just for educational purposes. Don't risk everything. Risk responsibly, bro. What would you risk like a madman? SL is at 4.8. Oh my God. Sorry, guys, in the premium, if you're not live, I've forgotten to share the signal. You know, I'm multitasking right now. I have so many accounts to place trades in, and I'm using my phone on TikTok, but I'm gonna turn it off for 2 minutes. I set my orders and then I get back. So head over to YouTube, search FXAU right now, but I'm coming back on YouTube. Thank you. I'm going to answer the questions. Can 200K start and earn 1M in 2 months? I'll come back with that question. Yes, YouTube. You first check for me the FXAU what? Hey, Justin Zhao live. Tap the screen, Justin Zhao. There's no one there. No one is tapping the screen. Someone should head there and tap the screen because it's going to go off. It's going to turn itself off. No. Yes, guys, thank you. Is it my network? Maybe it's your network. Am I pausing? But now you place the trades before price leaves you. I'm going to show you the spreads on HFM. Stop price ekyali ku entry tenandikanyo. I was still placing orders in these on my other accounts, but for this account we are risking $200 per setup. So I'm going to use 0.2. Price has just gone. And they say, but see the spread, guys. This is hilarious. Spread. So I'm risking $200. 200. Yeah. 200 targeting TP3 404.4. 404.4. Oh my god, this is a lot of money to make in return. Risking $200 and targeting like 1K. Oh, let me see. Banamaye sinaba set up. Iganye ugenda. Naye bajja kuyibba okubeera ku live zange. Iganye bro. PC ya freezings.
Bajeko ne leverage.
Excellence ejeko leverage. HFM leverage kweli. The leverage is full on HFM. Let me see. Sell XAUUSD now. SL at, oh my god. But if you're in my premium and you're on this live, then you've got a perfect entry. Yeah. For TP, yep, I've sent it. I have sent it. Sure, let's get back to TikTok. Though my phone is about to black out as well. Ninja charging. I'll charge it. So finally we are in the trade. Now let me start organizing the account. Let me first force quit some applications here. ChatGPT, I'm not using you. Telegram. YouTube, have we entered? YouTube chat, have we entered? YouTube chat, talk to me. Have we entered? Are we in? Man, MT5 yaganye, so to just on you. So guys, lock in. I don't want you to mess up. Look in on the mindset side of trading. If it goes back up and takes us out, well and good. You're already in the cells, already selling gold. Okay, empty figures logged in. Nice. Now you're gonna see how to lose money. How to lose money the correct way. Yeah, my position is in losses currently. Let's change these candlesticks. Back down should be white. Back up should be golden. The grid none. The bull candle should be golden. What's this color? Golden rod. I don't want volumes. I don't want volumes now. We need an M3 chip. This M2 chip is not gonna do what we want. Tap the screen, guys. Let's get to 5K likes. I have some good news for you. So just keep on, Dangerman, just keep on tapping the screen. What do you use to track your trades? I use my FX book. Make sure you subscribe as well. Okay, I'd placed sell stops in some account. YouTube Liquidity, eh? YouTube chat, you can tell me, comment. Is YouTube clear?
Okay.
Guys, is YouTube clear?
It's clear.
It's clear. You're seeing it? Eric, thank you for the likes. Let's tap, 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 tap. Justin Zao kweli. Jolly kweli. Yep, that's why they turn it off. Guys, you can go and follow our backup account. So I'm going to stop the streaming on Twitch as well. We don't have people there, but with time, consistency. I need you guys to get used to Twitch. It's nice because it's the future, actually. The future of streaming. So that's gold. I guess you guys can see my account. Kesta, you can see the candlesticks. Yep. So I don't know why that sell position is not showing. Maybe it's in the settings. Can 200K start and earn 1M in 2 months? Yes, very much possible. In 2 months, that's very realistic. Here is the plan. Get that 200K. If you want to trade by yourself, of which I doubt you have a good system, but we do. FXAU has a nice system. We provide signals. So if you take those signals with discipline, I promise you, you're going to make that money in 2 months. You get? Risk management is key. Just risk like emitwale ebidi 20K per trade. That's like 10% of the account also. Yeah, 20K also. So you risk 20K per trade using 0.01. With 20K, if you transfer it in $2, that's like $10. So that's 10 pips maximum SL you need to use with 0.01. The maximum lot size which you need to use as well. So don't use 0.02, 0.05. Leave that. First stick to 0.01. Just check the link in bio. If you want our WhatsApp, everything is there. Snapchat, Instagram. XNES is not executing trades. Why? I don't know. We are using HFM and it's executing trades. That's what we are using currently to execute. But I just want to change something here. Okay. So if you want HFM, check the link in bio as well. You're gonna find HFM has no problem. So do we have news? Why is XNES removing the leverage? Actually, yeah, so guys, you can see now. You can see the profits. We are floating $5. Price is still around our entry. I wanted to turn this sell position. How I'm gonna do it in the settings. Properties. How can I scale my 100 USD account? Yeah, you risk management, bro. I've been explaining about it. Risk management and a good system. Risk management and a good system. We have a good system, FXAU. We provide the signals and we provide them for free. If you create an account with HFM, you join for free. So check out our YouTube to see the performance. I always journal everything. I'm growing these signals on a 10K account and I want to flip it to 1 million USD this year, not this month. Sorry. It's impossible in a month. How many setups do you get a week? On average, like 9 to 10, because every day we have like 2 setups, 1 setup. Yep. We don't exceed 2 setups a day. Send your WhatsApp number. Just check the link in bio, bro. How many setups I've replied? Where is the money? The money is on the brokers, HFM. The money is on HFM. You deposit and get it from there. You mine it. Okay, if you want to see the money, just go to YouTube, bro. Subscribe. You'll see the money and the charts. Blow. Are we buying or selling? We are selling. Yeah, keep your SL tight at 180 pips. If you shift it or mess up, replace trades again after a loss, then it's your problem, bro. It's not mine. Okay. No more questions. Ask questions. Benja FX, thank you. We are live trading. We're already in sales on gold. Check FXAU, subscribe on YouTube. You're going to see what we are doing. You're going to have to see what we are doing. Yep, live trading every day. I'm live on YouTube as well. Show object descriptions, show period separators, show last price line, show OHLC. Man, what's that? Okay. Chart foreground. Yes. Chart foreground. What's that? Oh, it is blue now. Let me change it to white. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. We are already selling. Head over to YouTube. Thank you guys for the subs. I see a lot of guys subscribing, man. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate it. Very, very, very much. We are trying to reconnect on YouTube. We are live on YouTube now. Thank you for the likes, Benja FX. Okay, let me answer some questions. Telegram link in bio. We also have WhatsApp since some of you can't access Telegram. Do you trade ZAR only? Yes, I do trade ZAR only. Just joined. Where's the link? Check the description. There's a link tree which drives you to HFM, our Telegram community. What else? That my FX book to track the results on our account, the 10K account, which we are using to trade these signals. And already we are live on YouTube, trading live. I gave out this signal live. And yeah, if you want to see, you go and check it out. I'm going to explain the performance of that 10K account at the end of the live stream. So stick up to the end, ask questions. So I'm going to do this every day. Just subscribe. You're not, so it's not opening HFM. So if you want to open it to open, just copy the link and paste it in your Chrome browser. Or just copy that link tree, copy it and paste it in your Chrome browser. Then you're going to access everything. Do you trade ZAR only? Yeah, but we are planning on trading NASDAQ and other pairs. But yeah, for the start, it's just ZAR USD. I promised myself if I get like 20 consistent traders who are trading under me, like under my guidance, then we are going to get another pair. So we'll be able to trade another pair. But first, we just need to get consistency in this first pair, like the ZAR USD pair. So those 20 people, I'm going to actually work with them hand in hand, but still I'm doing my, how do they call it? Scouting. I'm doing my scouting. I want to produce the best traders, 20 people, we trade together. I love trading around people, just that people are so hard to work with. But then I love trading around people. I love people. So we have so many events coming in this year from the football tournament. We hosted our first Uganda Traders Football Fest, the tournament. Last year, it was far better. It was nice. But Or if you're starting, things are not gonna move your way, or they're not gonna move the way you expect. But with time, so maybe this year's football fest is gonna be even super exciting, and the mistakes we did in the other past tournament would like to avoid. We need to be prepared. Yeah, I remember last time we didn't actually do every activity we wanted. Yeah, we only did football, maybe some bit of learning, of which it was just like 30 minutes. It was late because we had planned to interact with the big traders, your mentors, but we didn't get time for that because football took much of our time. We played from morning up to night, so we didn't get time to really enjoy other activities like swimming, the gaming. Also, we had FIFA, so people didn't even get engaged in FIFA. YouTube is freezing out. Is it? You're on YouTube? You first check. Okay, the price, we are currently floating $30 on YouTube. You can go and check out the account. Make sure you subscribe, guys. I'm not seeing the subs coming in. Uncle, when are you coming to Bali? After Mbarara, we are coming to Bali. And Bali, I love it because it's where I started trading from. So, but you know, I was born in Mbarara. So first, let's do Mbarara. Okay, I wasn't born in Mbarara. My parents, I was born in Zambia Hospital. I'm a Kampala kid. Do the dive. The dive. Going. Yeah. So Mbale, we are coming very soon. Just organize. Okay, what is this? Edrek Photography. Let's just organize a community on WhatsApp. You'll add me or reach out to me in this DM. We organize. If you get like 100 people actively, I'm going to first teach them. That's what I'm doing with the Mbarara guys. So I'm first teaching this group. After teaching it from the basics, then I'll go and make a seminar, because you can't make a seminar for one day and then someone learns everything. That beginners, total beginners. So I'd love to first get you through that beginner phase. Maybe we become intermediate, and then when we physically meet, I can complete the whole process. Yeah. Inboxed you, but you didn't reply back to me on this TikTok. You know, WhatsApp, I'm no longer using WhatsApp. No, like you can just find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Telegram. So WhatsApp is just business, and you're not talking to me. But personally, reach out to me in my TikTok DMs and Instagram DMs, also Snapchat. The Snapchat is in the link tree. You can tap in it. Follow me on Snapchat. So if you're gonna get along with my routine, my daily life, Snapchat, I post it up on Snapchat. Like today, I woke up in the morning early. I did some few workouts, the leg lunges and squats. And after, I went for a 6 kilometer run. After a 6 kilometer run, I did some full body workouts. Yep, meditations, everything. So that's how I keep my mindset health, like my mind healthy and strong, resilient. Because you know, holding this trade, I've risked like $200. You know, I'm going to get scared. My heart is going to pump, but my mind needs to be super focused to be able to filter out thoughts of blowing the account. Yeah, because you know, the mind is always gonna create ways of distracting you from like sticking to the plan. It doesn't want discomfort, it only needs comfort. So it's gonna create ways of comfort, and then you end up wanting to win so bad. And when you have that feeling, you're going to blow your account. You're going to shift from the plan. You're not going to risk accordingly. You're going to over risk, be greedy, and end up losing your money. So for you to avoid that, you have to start being disciplined outside trading in your daily life. Yep, being super disciplined. So when you're super disciplined outside trading, you're going to apply that discipline. It's automatically going to apply itself in trading. Yep, you will hold the trades, you will hold the losses, you follow your processes. Don't overtrade. One trade, one loss a day is enough. You get one trade a day is enough. And if you sense a losing streak, 3 trades in a row, take a break for 1 week, come back the next week. The simple things, these simple things is what's gonna make you profitable, nothing much. This strategy is easy to learn. Takes you just 1 month of looking in and backtesting. You can produce a good strategy with an edge, but you can't have the best trader's mindset in 1 month. You build it with experience. Yeah. And that's what I did. I first worked on my mindset, and I was ghost working on myself. Now that I know exactly what to do, now we can deal with anything. Yep. Yeah. We have the skill, we have a good system. It's just the rest is going to be history. If you want to trade with me, join with HFM. The link is in bio. Oh my God, this phone is gonna get. It's gonna get oof. So, bro, I'm available in Imbarara. Are you in the group? Twino Moscow, Brian? Are you in the WhatsApp group? I need you to add more people in that group. I'm going to teach them for free, like you've had. You know.
What's up?
Anti what text nganya amount. Nagambie 5 or 10. They're going to block you up. So price is kind of retracing back up, but like I told you guys, I'm not scared because I'm used and I'm only focusing on the outcome after a series of trades. Let's say 10 trades, let's say after a month. So I'm not looking at these results right now. If they hit me, it's a loss, bro. I'm going to come back tomorrow and win. So let me show you my account actually, for you to get some hint. Let me get. No, we just done it from here. Yeah. So I'm going to show these guys. See, we are live on YouTube. No playing. People are texting, chatting. So I want to show you the account. Let's go to history. So that's history. No? Yep. This is this week maybe. You've made like $352. This week you have made $352. Those are the trades we took. It's a real account at monthly. Oh my God. Last 3 months, yeah. Last 3 months, see the orders. See, these are losses. We have losses, wins. See, I'm not only winning, but the account is growing in the long term. So those are losses, wins, losses, wins, losses, wins, losses, wins, losses. See, losses, losing streak. Do you see? If you see many losses, that's a losing streak. If you see many wins, that's a winning streak. So that's the game. That's the game, bro. That's the game, nothing more. See, the losses, the wins, the losses, the wins. So even when we lose, it's not a bad thing, bro. It's not a bad thing because in the long run, we are going to win. In the long run, we are going to win. So if you're out there and you don't want to lose, you only want to win, bro, I'm really sorry. This is not a business you need to be in. Zao has to buy. Okay, open inquiry. But that's not a trader's mindset. If you have such a mindset, bro, you're not going to win. Because if you have that mindset of you knowing where price has to go, then you would be a millionaire by now. If you really knew how where price was gonna head, bro, you'd be a millionaire. So if it's going to buy, maybe you can just put in 100 lots and hold it. Then you make something like $2 million instead of uh, maybe talking about things you don't know, bro. That's not how you say it. If you're a trader, then you just need to follow your psychology. I mean your game plan. You get, and see, take any signal you get, because the market has buyers and sellers. Price is going to go up or down. It's uncertain. You don't know where it's going to go. You'd never know actually. If you did, you'd be a millionaire. Not even a millionaire, billionaire, like Elon Musk. You'd be making 20K, like 20 million every day, because you know where price is heading. You know, yeah. So sit down, reflect on that, and see how to organize your mindset. Tap the screen. We are live on TikTok, live on Instagram. We are live on Instagram. Yeah, like we have 1 hour for me to end. We have 1 hour for me to end the stream. Not even 1 hour. Sign up with HFM. So let's wait for that trade to maybe hit SL or break even. The trade will be New York, just in case they take us out on this one. The next trade will be New York. I'll give that to the guys in the premium group. For you to join the premium group, you know what to do. This is our second live session. Yesterday we didn't have a trade. We had a trade and it hit TP. Our first live was on Monday. It hit TP. You can check it out. It's recorded and posted on YouTube as well. Please, I didn't see it on YouTube. What didn't you see on YouTube? The live. Search FXAU. You'll see it. This is the same logo I'm using right now. Oh, the stop loss is in the premium group, but let me read it for you here. Real quick. Let me read it for you real quick. SL is at, let me see. I need to go to Telegram. So we also have WhatsApp signals now. Yeah, for the guys who can't access Telegram, we have WhatsApp signals. What's that? SL is 4482. 4482. That's the SL. Yeah, the price is still at entry. You can enter if you have money to risk. If you don't, I don't want you to blame me for losing your money. Okay, guys, um, use strict risk management. Don't overtrade. Just leave that position. Don't add on positions. Don't add on anything. Just leave it. I'll find you in the next live session, which is tomorrow or Friday. Oh, today is Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, we might have another one on Friday. Bye.